Those are headers. They got headers on this thing. You see it? We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray. We about to get right into it, man. Insurance auto auction walk around. They look like they got a couple of cars today. They got a Lexus, they got a Durango, they got an old Buick. We about to get in here, check these cars out, man. But first, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all follow your boy on the Instagram, wehustledaily.co. Link in the description. Make sure y'all hit the notification bells and make sure the post notifications is on all, by the way. Make sure y'all do that. And if y'all want to learn how to buy and sell cars, you don't want to be on the side of the road. You don't want to try to buy your grandma, you know, a car and it be a lemon, your daughter, your auntie, your grandma. You know, you don't want to try to go look for them a car on Craigslist or OfferUp or something like that and Andrew sell you a lemon, do you? So this is the website I want you to go to. What's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by whdacademy.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. Oh man, they got a couple of cars. They got the dually, they got the big boy Tundra right here on the wheels. They got the Lexus. This is a hybrid though. This is a Lexus GS450, but it's the hybrid version. You can see the damage here, the light. That's the only damage I see. And the fender right here, fender's messed up. Other than that, you see the little blue in there. I guess that's for the hybrid. Good wheels. I don't like that chrome and that chrome and that whatever look. I don't like the mixture look. Looks good though. Let's see. Inside looking like. Inside looks good. Doesn't have any power. The inside looks decent. Let's just say that. Doesn't look excellent, but it looks decent. What the heck is this thing here? I guess it's for call or something. Got the remote here. You know, I don't know. I like these. This would be good for like a second car, maybe. Maybe get this for like a second car. See what that motor looking like. That hybrid motor. Hybrid. Half motor, half. I think this is a V8 if I'm not mistaken, because the 450 I believe definitely is the V8, but definitely a nice car. Let's keep it moving. Next up we got a Dodge Durango RT. Now my mom actually wanted one of these before she got the Camry. It's like the Charger wheels they put on here. She actually wanted one of these before she had got the Toyota Camry, because she had the Durango before this body style right here. As you can see, it's the RT. This mug look beast. I kind of like it with these wheels on it. It looks aggressive. They got 4,500 bucks on it as of right now. 4,500. Oopsie. Got the stitching in the door panel. Whoa, they put these in here. They was trying to beat down your block, and it was working too. Working all type of stuff. Oh, gonna rest that right there. So they got the stitching here. RT on the seat. Why is that poking out like that? 133 on the miles. This is wrapped. Look like this was messed up, so they wrapped it again. I'm not sure, because I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like that. If it is, that's an ugly little, that's Dodge. You ought to be ashamed of yourself for that. It's a 2011. I like these wheels on it though. It looks beefy like that. Come on, come on. Ooh. 5.7 RT looks good. They put the K&N on it. I don't know why this motor looks so small. Damn, does it have, hold on, y'all. Those are headers. They got headers on this thing. You see it? Yo, they got headers on this thing, bro. Wow, they actually have headers on here. That's crazy. That's what's up. This thing probably sounds like a beast. Dang, man. All right, y'all. What's good? Let's keep it moving, though. All right, they got the 2015 Yukon. I know y'all probably would definitely want to see this. You can buy this right now for $30K. They got it on there for like buy it now, $30,000. The current bid is $18,000. That's the pre-bid rather. So that's what they bid it up to, but you can buy it right now for 30 bands. Big boy truck. Ooh, let's get in here. Let's get in here. Let's get in here. Door heavy. Nice little seat. On that side, got the TV. Another TV. Got the controls. Big boy truck. Keyless entry. 30K. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. 30K. How much are these trucks going for? How much are they going for at the dealership right now? 2015. Y'all let me know, but I don't see any damage on this car at all. Nope, don't see any damage on it. They also got a the new, I think this is the new 2018 5 Series. I think this is the new body style, isn't it? The newest body style, X4. The X4. Damn, that wheel is bent in it, y'all. Looks like it to me. And as you can see, the damage up there. Let's look at the interior. What BMW done did. Looks like a little cheap little leather. I do not like this leather right here. It's ugly. I don't really care for it. Same old, same old. Same old, same old. Nothing special. Paddle shifters. It's cool, it's cool. See where it took the damage. Right here in the front. Fender, hood, bumper, and some, this definitely bent a little bit right here. Broke off, light. May not be too bad though. I'm not sure if it says it runs and drives. Maybe this is the color of the car. No, that's not a color. It's like dirt. So y'all see what's going on though. So this one only had 19,000 miles though. Let's keep it moving. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. All right. Now y'all know I'm not a big Nissan fan, but this one only has 80,000 miles on this 06 right here. Look at the Challenger, man. Slow down, guys. Slow down. Is it a Hemi? Yep, y'all don't know how to act. Y'all don't know how to act. Don't know how to freaking act, man. All the time. You see these. Every time you go to a Copart or IAA, you're definitely going to see a Charger or a Challenger tore up from the floor up. So as you can see. I thought this car had a little smell to it. It has a little smell to it, but not that bad. Looks alright, looks decent. No power though. Man, that no power stuff is annoying. See, they have some kind of smell good in here. It do smell like water in here, definitely. It smells like some water damage. So, let's see what else we can find in here, man. Let's see what else we can find, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Anything else I missed over here? Infinity. Yeah, man, so all right, I might have to go on that, so I'll be right back. Well, would you looky here, got a Pontiac G8 This might be the V6, I'm not sure. Looks like it's been sitting up for a while. They got two Kia Souls here, two brand new Kia Souls. That's crazy. They got this Camry right here, but this Camry got 400,000 miles on it. But the G8, G6, I tried to get one of these one time, but it wasn't the V8, it was the V6, and it went for 2,500. I don't think this is the one though. Ooh, is it brake? Oh, okay. And y'all cannot tell me that this car, again, I'm told y'all last time in a couple other videos, that this car looks definitely like the Caprice. The new Caprice, the Chevy Caprice, the new Chevy Caprice is this car. Look at it. It is this car. Hands down, interior gauges. The rear is definitely built off the Caprice platform. The rear, the front, it definitely is. See, I think this one's the V6 though. Come on. Yep, V6 one. Yep. Well, I definitely tried to get one of these before. This boy got 400,000 miles. I'm not even gonna look at it because ain't nobody gonna want it. We got the BMW. We got another BMW with the ugly little blue. Got the ugly blue on there. Okay, here we go. This is more like my Stilo right here. This is a Buick LeSabre. I know this is on my list. Let me double check and make sure though. Yep, 1997 Buick LeSabre, and it has 86,000 miles on this thing. This is my style of car right here to buy. We gotta check this thing out, see what it's looking like. White, 86,000 miles. Y'all know my boy Bruce just got one of these. Same car, as a matter of fact, same color. We should get one and be right. We would be the Buick boys. Yep, same color, everything, same exact color. Do not think his had leather in it though. Super clean. Oh man, super clean, bro. Super clean. I like this one. Looks decent. You tell they've been sitting over there, boy. But they ain't had no passenger. Look at that, ain't that creative? Huh? All right, we might have to check this one out, definitely. Pop the hood and everything on this one. Cheap cars sell the fastest. Got the white walls on it. Oh man. Let me see. Yeah, I think this one is gonna be a good one right here. Let's see. $3,800. Looks good. You know, a lot of y'all like the 3800s and say they was like such good motors. I have really no experience with these motors. I like the 31s, even though the 31s and 30. I like the 31s, but I know the 31s they have overheating problems. So I think that one's gonna definitely be on our list. We got a little Saturn right here. Oh yeah, this Saturn was here last time, I believe. I don't want this one. I had, I remember somebody asked me like, what's the cheapest car I ever bought? The cheapest car I ever bought was one of these. It was green. I bought it for $365 and I drove it for like 8 months. That was like the cheapest car I ever bought. That weren't, what shit. That was the cheapest car I ever bought, period. And it ran and drove. But them were the good old days. Things are not the same anymore. Definitely not the same. We got the upcoming attraction, so it's not for sale yet. We got the Tesla truck. It's a key in the office. They don't even want you to touch it. But all right, guys, man, we see the Buick. The Buick is definitely looking good, so we may take a chance on a Buick, but Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, join the Hustle Nation. You want to learn how to buy and sell cars, flip your money, make sure you go to whdacademy.com. Peace.